Hi Draw So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Rose from BlackPink in the girls music video. So let's get started. To draw cute Rose, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now that my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now the eyes in, let's spruce them up, and I'm going to put a curve. I'm going to start about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve over the eye and bring it down just to anchor it and try to make it look a little bit more like the 3D anime. So something like that, and then let's come to the bottom and I'm just going to draw a soft curve as well. And then I'm going to come to the top right here and just spruce them up a bit with some lashes. So maybe like two of them right about here. So same thing over here, right over the eye. And bring it down. And the bottom as well. Soft curve and then some lashes. There. And then let's come to the top and we're going to draw some brows. So it's going about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft arc over the eye. So same thing on the other side, about right here. There, a little messy, but just want to draw a soft arc. And then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So say about right here in the center. I go ahead and draw a curve, go slightly upwards and cap it off. Then from there, let's frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, come out really close to these lashes, give myself a point, and same thing here. And let's go ahead and we're going to draw the bottom of a U. I'm going to try to make it a little bit pointier. So let's bring this in, more of an angle. I'm going to find my center and say about right here is where I kind of want her chin. So I'm going to bring this curve in your chin area, her jaw area, and then bring it to my point. And same thing over here. So definitely turn your body or your paper and bring it to this point you created. There, so nice and round and pointy and soft. Okay, so now that we have that, let's imagine an oval for her forehead. So, and it kind of parts to the side. So I'll say about right here. Give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to bring a curve down. Right here to connect everything. And then on this side, she has a strand of hair that covers a little bit more. So I'm going to bring this down in more. And I'll just kind of tuck it in here. There. So I have to erase this line right there. And then from there, let's see, we're going to go up where we started. Just imagine this curve for where her hair parts. And this is going to go up and this is going to come down. There. So let's see here. You know what? We can just go ahead and bring this up and then start to bring it down. And same thing here. And bring it down. Then you can add some parting lines here if you like. And then let's see, let's draw her body before we draw the rest of her hair. So let's come right here in the center and we're going to give her a little neck. So this is a very chibi style, this the anime, the 3D. So body is going to be very tiny compared to her head. So a little neck, and then we're going to bring down her shoulders. Something like that, about that big. And then we're going to kind of imagine where her armpit area would be, say about right here and here. I'll just give myself 2 points. And then from there, I'm just going to draw angle line in. There. Then from there, let's see here. Let's start with her top. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to cut it off with a curve. There, and then before I forget, let's add this little curve right here for her top, and then we can draw in some straps right here and here, and then we connect it with an X, so to about right here and here. There, so we created this X, and then let's see, let's bring this down a little bit more, and then her top. So let's cut it off about right here, just a soft curve, and we're going to bring this in a little bit more and then come out, in and then out for her tiny little waist. Okay, so then about right there, we're going to cut it off about right here for her skirt. So you just want to create this little curve right here for her waist area. And then now we can pop this out for her skirt. And same thing here. So then for her skirt, let's see. Oh, and also before I forget, I'm going to come back into this space and we're going to draw a curve right here and here. There. And then let's finish off her skirt. So let's bring this down a little bit more. And we're just going to go ahead and about right there, curve and then bring it down. So there's this part that comes down on this side that we need to draw. So about right there, I'll just stop for there, and then let's come back to our center about right here, and this is where the legs are going to start. So I'm going to just draw 2 angle lines. So let's come back to this side, just imagining her hip, her legs. So let's work on this leg first. We're going to come down. If you like, you can just draw angle line all the way down. But if you want to challenge yourself today, I thought it would look a little bit nicer if you just kind of like, this is where her knee would be. You come in and then you bring it out a little bit. So come in and then out. And then you come back in. So it just gives her legs a little bit more of a curve right there. And then cut it off. And then let's draw her shoe. So this is straight on. And I'll just go ahead and widen it out and connect for her boots. So on this side, we just want this one to be angled out more. So let's give her legs, come here. And so about right here, same thing. We're going to pop this out a little bit for her calf. And just imagine her legs about right here. And about right, same thing, cut it off right there, and then for her boots. So I'm going to curve this out and connect. So slightly different. This one has a little bit more angle. And then from there, let's go ahead and finish off her skirt. Just going to bring this down, loop it around. Give a little bit of a curve and then just connect it. And it's going to come through about right here. So it's supposed to connect to that. From there, let's go ahead and work on her arm. So in this arm, we're going to bend it and have her hands resting about right here. So let's come back to this armpit area. We're just going to angle down, and then out. So let's thicken it up. For her elbow, bring it in, angle, and then a little finger. And I'm just going to cut it off right here. So this side, we're just having her arms to her side. So let's bring this in, kind of where her waist is, just tuck it in a little bit and then out. And let's end her hands about right here. And we're going to come in here. If you have any space left, just draw a curve for the inside of her hands. And once again, you can cut it off right here as well. And so let's see, there's some details on her skirt. I'm going to come right here and just lightly draw a curve for a band. And then she has this beautiful little chain thing going on here. So I'm just going to thicken this up and draw a circle. And she has some of these chains going on her skirt. And one more, and then longer one going all the way. And here as well. And on the pattern of this top that she's wearing, I believe they're supposed to be roses. So I'm just going to come in here and just block in some these random shapes. And then you can add a little stem, some leaves. But you just want to block in this space right here with some of these shapes. And just quickly do that. There, and so same thing here. Just don't worry too much about it, which is, as long as we have something in here, then we know what's going on right with her. So it just kind of look like her outfit. And there's some here too. Just so that we know this is kind of like the sheer part in her outfit. And some more here. Okay, something like that. Okay, so hopefully you get the idea. And let's see if, oh, now her hair. So let's go ahead. We're going to finish off her hair. Let's bring down a strand here. Another one in here. And we just go ahead and finish this off. Just bring it in to about right there and just zigzag some strands and just tuck it in. And so this side, just give it a little bit of a wave and then curve to the same area, zigzag and in. There. And then come in here, draw a curve, for some detail. And hopefully I'm not missing anything. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Rose from BlackPink in the girls music video, the 3D anime version of Rose here from the game. I really hope you love how this, oh, you know what? Oh my goodness. Very important, right here on her legs. almost forgot. I bet you were screaming for me to remember this part on her legs right here. Okay, I pretty much have everything, hopefully. And like I said, I'm going to erase that part, but that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw Rose here. Fun and easy today. And if you want me to draw the other characters, the other BlackPink members from the girls' music video, definitely let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.